The dear moms of Shenandoah National Park in Virginia remind me of the 1971 B.B. King hit when B.B. says, "No one loves me but my mother, and she could be jiving too." It's true, moms do the Lord's work, and the dear moms of Shenandoah are definitely not jiving. Beginning in late spring and throughout the summer, Big Meadows in Shenandoah National Park is a perfect place for viewing deer fawns. The little ones spend most of their day bedded down while their moms feed. In order to go undetected by predators, the deer moms ensure their little babies have as little scent as possible. The moms have even been observed eating their fawns' droppings to leave no evidence of their presence. Several years ago, I was lucky enough to watch a mom chase a coyote into the woods and away from the little ones. Although the fawns spend most of their day bedded down, they are never beyond earshot away and will bleat out if they feel they may be in danger. The mom will hear their call and come running. Of course, I have to mention the sunrise. Sunrises are special to me in pure divinity. I had to capture this one with my Samsung as I left my wide angle back in the hotel room. But the next time you are west of Richmond, Virginia, and notice the pines and the oaks with brand new leaves and fresh blossoms, the time will be right to head to the Meadows of Shenandoah National Park.